This video shows a working model of a plasma gun in which electrical energy is converted into kinetic energy of a projectile. The projectile is pushed out of the barrel by expanding air, which is in the chamber behind the projectile. Several thin wires are placed in this chamber. When these wires explode, the chamber is filled with plasma. Volumetric plasma discharge instantly heats the air to several tens of thousands of degrees. Energy is supplied to the cannon through a thick cable. The energy of the shot is accumulated in the capacitor and switched by a powerful thyristor, designed for a current of 1600 amperes. During the shot, energy of about 200 joules is released. The green glow is due to the burning of copper vapor. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Have a nice day. See you on the channel.